I didn't
What's
want
the most
coal for
evil thing
Christmas.
you've ever
This year I
baked?
went to my
I had a
fiance's house
coworker
for
who
Christmas.
treated our
It was my
break
first
room
time
fridge
going,
like
as
his
we would
personal
typically go to
snack
my
bar.
family's
Every
house
single
instead.
day,
I got a
someone's
rather
lunch would
pricey gift
vanish.
for
My
my
homemade
fiance Dan
lasagna
related to his
gone.
hobby.
Even
I got
Tom's
nice gifts
protein
for
shake
Dan's
with his
parents
name
based off of
written in
things I
huge
talked about
letters
with them
somehow
before, and I
went
got a small
missing.
pack
The
of
worst
chocolates
part,
for each
he'd
of
always
Dan's
look
other relatives.
concerned and
I didn't
say,
know them
"Must
that
be the
well. I
cleaning
wasn't
staff
expecting many
taking
gifts
things
from Dan's
again." He'd
relatives
say it
because
so
I didn't know many
convincingly
of them
that our
that well, but
manager
I was
called a
certainly
meeting with
expecting
the
more than I
cleaning
got.
crew
At
about
first
it.
I
I
was
watched
excited
him for
when I saw
weeks.
that there was
He
a
had a
big pile
pattern.
of gifts for
Desserts
me.
disappeared
However, once I
first,
opened the first
especially
one, it was
homemade
just a
ones.
piece of
He just
coal.
couldn't
Everyone
resist
laughed,
them.
and I
That's
just
when I
kind of
got an
laughed
idea.
along,
I
thinking it
spent
was a
Sunday
gag
night
gift.
baking
And that the other
brownies,
gifts
but
would be
these weren't
different.
just
But
any
every single one
brownies. They
turned
were
out to
made
be
with
coal, all
sugar-free
18 of them.
ingredients
I
that are
started to get
known to
upset,
have
so I cried
interesting
and lashed out
effects
at
on the
Dan, but he
digestive
calmly
system. I
explained
placed them
apparently
in
this
the
is a
break room with a
long-standing
note,
tradition in his
"Homemade
family
treats,
where they give
please
coal to
enjoy." By
newcomers
10
who are
a.m.,
celebrating
half the
Christmas with
plate
them
was
for the
gone.
first time.
By
He
10:30,
explained that
the
it's
rest
just
had
easier that way.
disappeared. By 11,
Insult
he
the
was making
relatives
his
who might
first
not know the
desperate
newcomer
run to
well
the
don't have to
bathroom.
stress
I
over
watched
finding
as
a
he
gift,
spent the
and it's a fun
entire day
experience for
rushing
the
to the
newcomer as well.
restroom. He
I
tried
told
to
Dan
play
I
it
couldn't
cool
believe I
between
skipped my
trips,
own
but his
family
face told a
celebration for
different
this and
story.
left.
The
But
next
now
morning,
Dan
I
and some
brought
of
in
his family
regular
are blowing up my
brownies.
phone
They
saying
sat
I embarrassed
untouched.
him in
He
front of
wouldn't
his
even glance
relatives,
at
and
them.
that I made
It's
it
been
awkward
3
for
months